Hello everyone and welcome to Bitwise. Every day we use technology without even thinking about what happens behind the scenes. We send WhatsApp messages, watch YouTube videos, attend Zoom meetings, browse websites, and transfer files between devices. But have you ever wondered how all these devices communicate with each other? How does your mobile phone connect to the internet? How does data travel from one country to another in just seconds? The answer is computer networking. In this video, we are going to understand the basics of computer networks in the simplest possible way. Even if you have absolutely no technical background, by the end of this video you will clearly understand what a network is, why it is important, and how it works in our daily lives. So let's begin. A computer network is a group of two or more devices connected together in order to share information and resources. These devices can include computers, mobile phones, printers, servers, smart TVs, security cameras, and many other digital devices. The connection between these devices can be wired using cables or wireless using Wi-Fi signals. The main purpose of networking is communication and resource sharing. Let us understand this with some simple real-life examples. Imagine you are at home using Wi-Fi. Your mobile phone, laptop, smart TV, and maybe even a gaming console are all connected to the same Wi-Fi router. Since these devices are connected together, they form a small computer network. Through this network, all devices can access the internet and communicate with each other. Now think about a school, university, or office. Hundreds of computers are connected together through a network. This allows users to share files, printers, internet connections, and applications. Instead of each computer working independently, networking allows them to work as a connected system. And the biggest example of a computer network is the internet itself. The internet is basically a massive global network made up of millions of smaller networks connected together around the world. That means when you open a website, send an email, or watch a video online, your device is communicating with servers located somewhere else in the world through networks. Now the question is, why are computer networks so important? The first reason is information sharing. Networks allow people to send and receive data instantly. We can share documents, images, videos, emails, and messages within seconds. The second reason is resource sharing. For example, in an office, many employees can use the same printer through a network. Similarly, multiple devices can share a single internet connection. The third reason is communication. Applications like WhatsApp, Zoom, Facebook, Gmail, and YouTube all depend on computer networking. Without networks, modern communication would not exist. Another important advantage is remote access. Today, many people work from home. Employees can connect to office systems remotely through networks and access files or software from anywhere in the world. Now let's look at the basic components of a computer network. The first component is devices. These are the endpoints of the network such as computers, mobile phones, servers, or printers. The second component is transmission media. This is the path through which data travels. It can be physical cables like Ethernet or fiber optic cables, or wireless signals such as Wi-Fi. The third component is networking devices. These include routers, switches, and access points. Their job is to manage and direct network traffic. For example, a router connects your home network to the internet. A switch connects multiple devices within the same local network. Now let's understand how data actually travels in a network. Whenever you send a message or open a website, the data does not travel as one huge piece. Instead, it is divided into smaller pieces called packets. These packets travel through different network devices and routes until they finally reach the destination device. Once they arrive, the packets are reassembled into the original data. This process happens extremely fast, usually within milliseconds. For example, when you send a WhatsApp message to your friend, your phone converts that message into data packets. Those packets travel through your Wi-Fi router, internet service provider, multiple servers and network paths, and finally reach your friend's phone. All of this happens almost instantly. Now let's talk about the two major types of network connections. The first type is wired connection. In this type, devices are connected using physical cables such as Ethernet cables. Wired connections are usually faster, more stable, and more secure. That is why offices and data centers often use wired networks. The second type is wireless connection. In this type, devices communicate using radio signals or Wi-Fi. Wireless networking provides flexibility and convenience because devices can move freely without cables. This is the type of networking most commonly used in homes today. As technology continues to grow, computer networking is becoming more important than ever. Modern fields like cloud computing, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, online gaming, video streaming, and smart devices all depend heavily on networking. If you want to build a career in IT, cybersecurity, software engineering, cloud computing, or system administration, understanding computer networks is absolutely essential. This video was just the beginning of our networking series here on Bitwise. In the upcoming videos, we will cover many exciting topics including types of computer networks, network topologies, the OSI model, TCP and IP protocols, IP addressing and subnetting, routers and switches, network security, wireless networking, and much more. So make sure you subscribe to Bitwise and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next videos in this complete networking course. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with your friends who want to learn networking from the basics. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.